Welcome back. The surge of the new COVID-19 cases is adding extra weight to our already overworked frontline healthcare workers.
And they have spent more than a year battling this virus while continuing to care for patients. And it only seems to be getting worse here lately. Local 10's Christina Vasquez is live with reaction from some of those medical professionals. What are they telling you?
That they are exhausted, that they are heartbroken, and that they're also frustrated because they believe what we're seeing right now, this rise in cases in hospitals, was preventable.
I mean, 95% of the patients we're seeing at Jackson have not been vaccinated. It feels like the rug's been pulled out from under us.
For frontline healthcare workers, more than a year into this battle against COVID, exhaustion from the emotional and physical toll of treating COVID patients.
They're having to physically move patients. It takes 5 or 6 caregivers to flip over a 200-pound adult, so that they can breathe.
And now, explains Martha Baker, president of the union that represents Jackson healthcare workers.
The added frustration of, you could have gotten the shot. Why didn't you? This is crazy.
A surge of unvaccinated patients in hospital beds, presenting a formidable challenge to the hope that ample vaccine supply would bring some reprieve.
And then boom, it's gone and going back up.
Their hospital workers are upset because all they're seeing is non-vaccinated people.
Putting pressure on an already tired, and psychiatrist Dr. Arthur Bregman argues.
Not burned out as much as very traumatized. We have a term for it in mental health psychiatry called vicarious traumatization.
Which he says means just witnessing trauma and having an emotional connection to it could have long-term mental health impacts.
You can't get rid of it. You think about it over and over again, and it really can affect people's mental health.
One doctor I spoke to yesterday actually described it as a moral injury. They feel wounded by what is happening right now. Martha Baker tells me that she has already been fielding requests from community members, even some Miami-Dade commissioners, asking, how can we help you? How can we celebrate the work you are doing, continue to do on the front lines? And she says to all of them and to you, her answer is simple. If you want to show your appreciation for their work, get a shot. Reporting live for you, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.
And it's